Hi everyone, today I'm in a mood to dive into this amazing movie and continue a little journey with Ace Ventura, Pet Detective. Let's jump into the right wave of happiness, joy, and pure chaos with Jim Carrey brings with him every single time he's on the screen. Honestly, I'm kind of in love with him. I can't even lie, he has such a unique and very specific style of acting. Maybe it's because I see a little bit of myself in this energy. Anyway, today we are continuing this incredible journey with Pet Detective and his hilarious manners. Oh my gosh, I really want to catch that. So guys, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It really helps me and you helping me to grow this channel. And thank you so much for your support, my beautiful friends, for clicking the like button. Okay guys, I can't wait anymore. Let's go. Oh my gosh, I'm really in love with this actor. I don't know why, maybe because of his facial features, maybe because of his manner, maybe because of his personality. I can't explain that. Oh, wow, looks like Banff. I saw quite recently some kind of mountains like that. I think they filmed it in Canada, right? I mean, these pictures.
No sign.
Are you searching? Wow, look at this mountain wall. It's beyond belief. How swell this helicopter is. Oh no, it's impossible. He's landing there. That's him. Ah, I do remember his hair. It's like a pigeon.
You could put somebody's eye out with that thing.
Never lifted out the last past year's, Ace.
What about the animal cargo?
Don't worry about it. It's just one little raccoon.
You can't stop me no matter who you are.
I love it. Oh my god, they try to help you, but he's helping other animals.
Le who? The her.
I guess he's totally fine because of his quite crazy. He's able to... That's a good joke, guys.
That'll hold you for a while.
Ooh, monkey. Hello, buddy. Wow. What?
There's nothing more we can do. Looks like.
Oh my god. It's so far from you. Seriously?
Do not fret, my little woodland friend, for your life is in the hands of Ace Ventura. Pet Detective.
Pet Detective. Whoa.
Whatever you do!
What are you doing here wearing such a shorts? No. No. It's impossible. It's not too heavy. What? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Take my hand! I do remember the movie actually. I mean, the other movie with the same part. I hope you can save his life.
Maybe not!
No.
You're slipping!
His face! His eyes!
No!
His eyes! Oh no! Oh my god! This man really loved all of the animals. It was such a huge tragedy. Alright. Oh. Already beside him.
Oh, well now, that was quite a shock. It's extremely nice to meet you now. My name...
Looks like he doesn't speak English. Maybe he even doesn't understand you.
No man here carries with him a label.
What? He's an American. Yes, of course we are. Well,
Any other features?
and he speaks from his rear.
Oh, he knows this man.
To sustain his existence.
The raccoon.
It was terrible for him. He's now at peace.
Wow. He's here. I'm surprised to find him here. Oh, they said, his
I
face, his
will
face.
wait here.
He doesn't look fine. I mean, mentally sick. And there's this butterflies around him. It's really funny. It's such a crazy.
My name is Stephen Greenwell. Services in the retrieval of a lost animal. Now,
Your request is not unlike your lower intestine. Stinky and loaded with danger.
He doesn't
Your
just
earthly money holds
money.
no appeal to me.
$20,000.
20,000, I think it's pretty big money for this time, right? If I see that it's 1995.
For I am sorely needed. Here.
Here?
If I may interject to use your talents, let me help you back.
Oh, he doesn't want to see him here anymore. Take your monkey. Take your...
No. There it is.
There it is.
You are one.
Looks like he's really willing to say goodbye.
What about my medallion of spiritual...
Take mine.
Oh, take mine.
In light of this personal sacrifice, I have no choice but to take the case. Great!
Let's make a party.
Break it to them gently.
They are ready to say goodbye. They're really, really happy to see her leaving this place.
I've never seen them act like that before. Denial can be an ugly thing. There's still one more thing I must do before.
Oh, hi, buddy. Oh.
That's incredible!
Oh, yeah, actually. Oh, look at this endless way. One more.
Oh, no! Leave it.
Can I do it one more time?
No.
Of course.
Can I do one more time?
How selfish of me. Let's do all the things that you want to do.
Okay, get back. It's really funny. I love it. Just take a look at the lady behind him. She doesn't care.
Canadian moose during mating season.
Canadian moose.
A yak.
Peanut?
Yes, I have one right here. It's bulky, but I
One?
consider it carry-on. Oh, I see.
They believe that there is a curse, for the daughter of the Wachati chief is said to wed the first son of the Wachutu, was offered as dowry for the marriage. Mr. Ventura.
What?
Mr. Ventura.
Someone on the way.
Something?
I'm sorry, what were you saying?
I really enjoying watching this, preparation before some words and some kind of pause before the next phrase. Like, I want to thank you. His partner is waiting for this phrase, like, I love
This
it.
land holds great beauty.
It's totally fine. Oh my God.
How far to the crime scene?
To the consulate, which should be beyond those, so we'll have to circle around.
Oh,
Steering's a little loose!
you shouldn't drive.
Ventura!
Oh, he doesn't know this.
Chitty bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang loves us too. Go on, chitty chitty weedy bang.
He's a terrible driver, guys.
Bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang. Are fine for bang.
Can you imagine to have a driver like that, guys? Woo. And immediately you'll be losing your hair. Oh, still keeping the balance. Good.
Oh, there's the consulate! Oh, let's find a parking spot. We're going to be far.
What the heck? This parking spot. But take a look at another cars. I guess he enjoyed
You might want to
this
think about
trip.
getting this baby detailed.
Consul General's car.
Oh, he's talking to the elephant.
Come on.
I love it. Oh, poor horse. Even me, I had some pain.
Mr. Ventura, so looking forward to your arrival.
I didn't expect it, honestly.
Seemed that painful when you were doing it to the horse.
Did you feel that?
Mr. Ventura has an affinity for animals.
Shall we?
From the beginning.
Just how good are you?
You're an extreme workaholic.
I think it's extremely important to keep your smile. Do not laugh while working with this actor. I think it's crazy complicated.
The abrasion on the palm of your left hand is a Type 1 sustains breaking a new watch. A quality forgery of a Cartier was most likely purchased.
He knows that.
The urine stain on your pants would signify that you're a single shake man.
Ventura. Simply brilliant.
Spank you, Greenwald.
Mr. Ventura, we've been coexisting quite nicely with the
It's a little bit too much, isn't it?
It is imperative that we recover the sacred animal obliterated. The what? They consider its disappearance both an insult.
Okay. Stop it! Look at this. It's a reaction like,
Ah, Cadby.
what's...
Lovely brunch, I must say.
I'd like you to meet Ace
Wow.
Ventura.
Most call me Quinn. Say hello, Tinky.
Was Corax, common ravens, smartest of all birds. Rare these parts.
Oh, yeah. Can you talk to him? What?
Excuse me.
Ah, maybe because of this fox
That's quite a
on
wrap
his
you're wearing.
shoulder.
Fluffy new slippers made from the heads of innocent and defenseless baby seals.
I love his jokes.
Ghastly man, you must be the Monopoly guy.
His facial, his decorations.
Another activist, McGuire.
Look at these feathers and all of the decorations.
Enjoying the fruits of nature. You should try it sometime.
But I wouldn't kill anyone for that, you know, like... It's like a gift of nature.
You're right.
It's a good idea, actually. The font quite skinny man for this. Actually, he has such a wonderful voice. The previous part, do you remember? With the balcony. Oh, oh, oh.
Do not collect $200.
And we might make for the projection room. Mr. Ventura, I'd like you to meet Hitu.
Don't get up.
But we've had similar problems.
What? I don't say anything.
Sorry.
Ah, it's you because of your hair. Oh, okay.
Spotted several times in the province, and McCain makes a handsome living. Rare and endangered species. Now these two are Australians. The other is said to have been raised Aborigines.
I guess you can understand it even without your comments.
Call him Gaji.
It's quite hard to... I feel understand. I wouldn't stop on the...
Wedding ceremony is going to take place in 4 days. We're counting on you.
Doesn't take it seriously. Oh my god. It's so funny.
There's something I'd like to show you. As one animal lover to another.
Oh wow. It's a nightmare for this man. His reaction.
Wrong, Mr. Ventura? Of course not. This is a lovely room of death. Bye-bye then.
I was thinking that she could suggest to add even his hat just to make the collection full. What's this? Elephant to sit on the car. And actually, I wouldn't be surprised to see even his own head. I mean, those guy hat being with other animals.
The village is roughly about a mile ahead.
The wall.
I prostrate myself before you and...
I love these mushrooms over there. It's so cool.
My heel is getting rather raw.
We love you, Dirt Continent. Good night.
He's unstoppable. Oh my gosh, how much energy he has. What?
Song of the male silverback gorilla.
A majestic song?
And they can get rather hostile.
I guess it's right over there.
Oh, excuse me, Mr. Ventura. The Wachatis believe they draw their power from these caves since the vanishing of their sacred bat.
Oh.
What? Bat?
What's the difference?
What's the difference? Have you ever seen that? They're hideous.
Seriously? You don't like these animals?
Thanks. They give you rabies, you know.
Are you saying that you won't take the case?
As a being of light, I must show compassion for all the living things of nature. I'm not touching it, though.
I love the music.
They find all forms of life safe. Bump away a tuna.
Ace Ventura, pet detective.
Excuse me. Your balls are showing.
Know about disease until the white man came.
Don't joke like that.
What's going on over here?
5 days.
Oh.
Should he lose his focus and fall, he must start all over again.
All right. How long you been there? Stay, buddy.
Be the best.
Oh, just take a look at the bat's face, right?
Nito.
Kadu. The chief says he knew you would come.
All right.
Chimney, chim chim chiroo. Hi.
This language doesn't exist.
The chief says he has not understood the dialect.
And that is sacred bat is as good as that.
Lugi afalu uksu.
What? Maybe he translated
seems to like you. I mean, that is
all
a
wrong.
great sign of affection. This is the chief's son, Auda.
I like you.
I like you. Oh, I did it again. I like you. Can you imagine if we do same things?
Allow me to
I
display
like you.
my affection.
Let's prepare something more for you guys. I even can't imagine what's gonna happen now. No, I'd like to see this process. Ooh, yuck. Now they love each other.
It is the mucus that binds us.
A bubble bee. The chief says of the sacred heart.
And even him, and even his face is full of this mucus.
Afraid he was found shortly after.
This is a accordion. It's an incredible guardian. Oh my god.
Quite an auspicious dwelling for a...
That is sacred ground. I'm sorry.
Make it easy. I'm the Loki guy, remember?
Can't stay here.
Unless the sacred bat is returned before the marriage of the Wachati tribe will meet their death.
Oh,
The great white bat.
your favorite, I guess, right?
Crepuscular Chimera.
Shikaka.
Shikaka.
Shakaka.
We did it again. This that you can play with us. Shikaka.
Shikasha.
Chicago! Yeah!
Chicago.
Go on.
His hearing. It was funny. All right. I guess he's really enjoying this moment.
You gonna eat these?
Oh, zucchini. Looks like he has zucchini. He's totally crazy.
I've got to inspect that cake.
Do you like it? What's up?
My. This fruit paste is delicious.
It's made from guano.
That sounds so familiar.
Bat droppings. They use it to make many things in the village.
Okay.
Now this is really fascinating. The dance of seduction.
Why she's doing that?
Women only as the mothers of our children. A temple to house the miracle of procreation.
Right in front of his face.
Do you have $1?
What? No.
So much. I'm not dancing
She's
yet.
Where's his girlfriend? Okay, he's sleeping again. Such a bad guardian. Sleep.
Foe! The fingerprints of scum!
Oh my god. Is it too much powder?
Unless...
It's really fun. Oh, you know what this means? Do you remember the crowd? She's here. I still remember her dancing. Okay, I guess. Listen to
Great appreciation.
Speak English.
Yes. They come with books. Oh.
It's incredibly accurate.
It's incredibly
Care to
accurate.
try?
Her face, she's so pretty.
Release.
Oh no! This poor guy is still here.
You make me smile. And yet, I am troubled. The man my father wants me to marry, I am worried I will not please him.
Why? She's so beautiful.
I've never known a man.
Well, I think you should wait to the first night with your own husband. No, please, no.
I would love to help. I have vowed to take a life of celibacy.
Will assist your decision.
We'll assist you. A naked
Those
body.
are very nice.
Very nice.
I am no longer encumbered by the appetites of the flesh.
No, of course not.
Mama. Oh, mama.
I guess he's really struggling.
Oh, mama. Ooh, mama.
I'm so sorry, Mr. Ventura.
Oh, oh.
That's okay. Practicing my mantra.
I guess we're at the last moment.
I thought you wanted to visit the sacred caves.
I do. If I don't finish my meditation, I tend to get a little cranky. Take care now. Bye-bye then.
10 minutes, 10 minutes.
Big load off my mind. Oh, God.
Check it out for yourself.
Who's else beside you guys? I two more people.
Think you should investigate?
There's no reason to go in there. He sense it as a holy man. It's dark.
Looks like he's afraid of
I
this.
could fall in.
Take this.
Ooh, a nice face.
I'm not afraid.
I feel understand him actually.
Not afraid.
He gonna meet other bats, maybe smaller than Shikaka. Maybe something. Oh, something, almost something. I definitely love his facial.
I will fear no living creature.
Take that, you winged spawn of Satan!
He's really afraid of this animal. Crazy.
All I really need is my torch.
It doesn't have anything. Oh my God. They're not here anymore.
Ace, I was merely running a drill, just as I suspected.
We met him at Cadby's soiree. His bird is a raven named Tinky.
Burton Quint is a very powerful man.
I'm a master.
I'm a master.
Man who leads a life of
Oh no. Even another monkey is looking. Oh my God. Oh, yak.
None of this animal goes to waste.
Oh my God, he's crazy. I love these ideas. I notice that you're here. It doesn't look like real. Okay, it's you.
Agreeing to undertake this.
And then I was surprised to see this Reno.
Meeting secretly with sinister types.
Looks like it's pretty hot inside. This looks bigger from inside than outside.
And hot in these rhino.
Ooh. They're still here. Looks like he's waiting for them no more than 5 minutes, but is completely wet.
Get some oxygen.
No way. You stuck! Oh my God! It's stuck right here. Do you have any holes here or any ventilation or anything like that? Looks like a worm. Ooh.
Come on, girl.
Oh my. Right on time. It's so horrible.
No, the mother rhino is giving birth.
Yeah. Which we know. You know, it doesn't look like Reno. Can you imagine to see such a picture in the real life? Oh my gosh. My cheeks.
And you too, my friend. I know you'll be happy here. Well, how did you get out, little fella?
It's Ace Ventura's monkey, I guess, right?
What's that you got there?
Oh, it's right. That's it. Okay.
Where's the bat?
There.
The bat.
I met you at Cadby's. Ventura, fella.
Where is that darn bat?
What are you going to do?
Wrong answer. What are you gonna do? Oh, I hate this sound. Ooh.
Stop that! Getting to you.
A tough guy, huh?
Oh my gosh, stop it. Yeah. It's like a kid. No. Poor eye.
All right, I'll talk. I paid Derek McCain. I thought it could be an attraction. Business has been a bit off lately.
You don't know who...
Neither does McCain.
I'm going to untie you now that I'm really, truly...
You've got wrong, man. Sorry. Oh my God.
Appreciate the lift!
We have no more suspects or clues.
No more suspects, so...
I can feel it like it's right in my neck!
What's going on? Maybe it's poisoned and you're gonna die in a few minutes.
Starting to get numb!
And one more time.
Too much!
How did you do that? I have to try.
Blossom!
It's done. Oh my gosh. I guess... I think it's quite painful. Who did it? Who did it? Oh, the girl?
You.
What's going on? Oh, hi! She's there.
In suffering hysteria, it's a natural reaction.
Why? Why did you do that, guys? What's...
Incredible. Collect the whole set.
Did you hear my latte? Like a monkey.
It's openly protested against the intertribal wedding.
Has he?
But you do not speak Washutu.
Aura will be my interpreter. Ace!
So it means that it doesn't belong to you guys, right?
If they catch you, they'll show no mercy.
With
I
the
will be as a fly on the
translation.
wall. I will slip amongst them like a transparent thing.
Thing. It doesn't look like them. Okay. Go. Oh! Nice. Look at the other face.
But we'll never know until I can walk freely among them.
Pieces. No. You don't look like them. Ready? Okay.
Aura is probably going for help right now.
They found me. No sweat.
I love his smile. He's so friendly.
Gingivitis is the #1 cause of all tooth decay.
Princey! Oh yeah!
Is it real? Is it just a mask or...
White devil, I've only met you. How do I know?
How do I know? Oh my god.
I come in peace!
Uza, in Kosozana.
You can't translate the words in the right way.
Just refer to me as White Devil.
This how they know you.
I represent the princess!
Indi, in Kosazana.
No! He doesn't really know the language, right?
The last thing we want is a fight.
Oh no. You translated wrong. Why? Why did you do that, boy?
If you pass all what you do tests, you do not die.
Kooky.
I hope you can take it. Oh my god. Actually. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's like a grill. Wait for a second. Hop. Hitch. I love that. He did it for real. No, I guess it's not the real man. But let's pretend like this is a real man. Ooh. Oh, wow. She's pregnant. No!
My entrance. Do not worship me!
Passed all tests but one. Is Wachutu Circle of Death.
That's my specialty.
Oh my goodness. This big guy. No.
This is it.
He's crazy. They found each other.
I must tell you, I do not wish to fight you.
Oh.
I was unaware that the Wachenku were fighters!
He's much better fighter than you.
Oh, no way. Ooh. It changes style.
This White Devil thing has gone far enough. Nobody messes with the dew!
No.
Sorry, White Devil, but he must kill you now.
I must kill you now.
I'll have you know I have the reflexes of a cat. I dare ya!
You got it. No way. It must be very painful.
Throw me a spear!
What? Come on, 2 legs.
It's in the bone!
Oh my, in the bone. I guess it's too painful. I guess it was just a joke, right?
Jesus, you make him laugh.
No.
Wachutu chief say you friend to Wachutu.
Oh, no, he's a friend. Wachutu.
But if Curse of Shikaka not lifted by tomorrow's sun, Wachuti kill all Wachati.
No.
Okay, take care. Super. Bye-bye then. Do you want me to carry you?
Probably high threshold for pain.
Stop it. Yes, it's better to run now. It was so funny. That's similar, am I right?
The Wachutu didn't take Shikaka. What would you say this is? And when compared to one of the darts that hit, see, the Wachutu dart is made of wood from the mimosa tree, carved from a red fungus bearing a color. Tell them the Wachutus attack tomorrow at noon.
I wouldn't share with them any information because he translated absolutely wrong.
Brown dog just picked up a scent.
It's crazy. And I would add also, as a replica of him.
Won't be long now, Katie. Big night tonight.
Such a wonderful bat.
Disgusting
smile. Oh my gosh. Of course it's a fake. I saw it.
Gravy.
I found you guys.
Silverback.
Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. It's so cool that you can imitate the sound.
Female. About 200
The
meters.
girl.
$5,000 for one of those. We'll be back in no time.
That's funny. Come on, go get the rat. Don't try. They'll try.
Uglier than I thought.
Go get it.
Big one, isn't she?
Oh no. Oh.
Deciduous trees lining the riverbank. Human shrubs with extreme protococcus. I think we can assume the stream gets pretty rough up ahead.
Ah, he's right. It's waterfall. It's very dangerous.
Chew through my rope.
Come on, go help him.
That's
it. Buddy.
That's it.
He can't help you. This rope is too big. Come on, buddy.
Hey! Hey!
Won't help you? I hope he's alive, right?
I'm alive.
His mouth is too big. It's just temporary. Oh my goodness. It's crazy. Oh my god, now he's trying to leave. He's trying to escape. No, you wanna get back? I guess he couldn't beat the alligator in the real life, right?
There's something I missed.
You already saw the bat. What?
Somebody wants these two tribes to destroy each other. Perhaps we should meditate upon its spike. For it is said that when seeking answers, one must...
Oh.
What is it the Wachatis possess, besides the princess with the amazing rack?
I didn't see it. I guess he's... Oh. It's like being joining them, right? With his voice, or getting some power or some kind of support by his brothers in the mountains. Oh, he's asking his teacher.
Ace, you can dispense with the smallpox all
That's funny. Ah, even the monkey is here.
business and time is of the essence.
What answer do you seek?
They all can see him.
The medallion will lead you to the answer. You do still have the medallion.
Still with you?
Why?
Do you remember what he did with that?
With my body.
Okay, I threw it in the cave.
Look at the monkey. Well.
Probably lying. Big pile of...
The medallion gonna show you the answer.
Guano! Guano!
See the shit. Again, his favorite parking style.
Let's go kick some consulate butt.
Oh, hi.
You come for money? Run again! For the sacred bat. Where is it?
Whatever.
Oh.
Whoa! Does poop ring a bell?
Mine's as a source of nitrate. 84% of the world's supply of fertilizer. That's what this war is all about.
You're gonna kill all these people just for the shit?
And you want that dookie so bad. But sir, I thought that...
Oh, this guy doesn't know the...
Fine theory, Mr. Ventura.
Thought you'd never ask. The day I met you, there was a white substance on your shoe that I missed. Suddenly it hit me. The great white bat has great white guano. And that explains the abrasion on your palm. That's what was on your shoe, and that explains the abrasion. Damn, I'm good!
Damn, I'm good!
You feel it, Captain Compost?
Just like, look at this partner's face like...
Repent!
be safe.
I believe you've solved the case.
If you are the slime behind this little flim-flam, did you hire me?
Oh, yes, it's a good question.
Investigation after the war. You were my alibi to...
Ah.
Arrest him.
Can you do that?
Please arrest him.
No, it's working for him. No.
Simon says arrest him.
They're all sold. Oh my God. Ah.
Shall I stick him on the wall?
They found such a wonderful faces for these bad guys.
Mr. Ventura here has very cleverly stolen the sacred bat of the Wachati.
Oh my God.
Greenwald, hit the lights! The wall behind you! Go for it!
Can you do that? No, I think he won't do that. What are you doing?
Flick it, quick! Shall we go to jail?
I love him. Oh my God.
Hey, what are you, HR shoving stuff?
Oh, actually, you're taller than him.
Just one more thing.
Wow. Oh, he's talking to the elephant. Oh, this is your savior. You can beat this elephant. What's your plan?
Lend me a rear!
Oh, this is his feature. All right.
You let him get away.
Sir, you don't seem to understand the... Remind me to send a sympathy card.
He's involved in this.
Gaji, there's nothing he can do now.
Crime.
We got the bat and it's...
I can hear something. Maybe when these people are coming right out here. Oh, no. I guess I invited all of these animals. Whoa, 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 whoa. Be careful, buddy. You found the right horse for...
Can live in harmony.
No, don't touch it. Here we go. Oh, thank you, buddy.
Sorry for the delay, Ace.
Oh, actually, yes. What about the button?
My stinky little frog!
Oh my God, he's stinking so bad. Even himself gonna stink so bad. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.
Go fast, Sally!
Ah, he can't touch it. He can't. Where are we going? He's upside down. Take another call. Oh, it's bigger. Oh, it's bigger than all of that. Oh my God. Oh, whoa, whoa.
He wants to go off-road!
You don't be worried about the car anymore. Oh my God.
From the consulate, right? This is weird!
Nice to meet you. What? Oh my God. Oh my. But he had some time. Avoid the tree. Oh no. Surprised he's still alive. Blech.
Noon.
Oh my goodness. Come on, take care of these people.
We'll overcome.
Do you want to take it with your own hands? Oh, he's taking it. He's taking... Chicago! Lucy, no, don't kill this man. Other one. Don't touch, don't touch, don't touch him. But on time.
That detective coming through! Clear a path!
Please don't kill this animal. Oh, the craziest man of this pride. It's so cool. His acting is something. How did you do that? Even me, I feel that. I hope you're safe now. But I'd like to call police or something like that. Oh. It's even worse. No. Oh, I guess at the wedding, right?
Okay.
who is... Don't cry, baby, don't cry.
Marriage under the witness of the tribe. One must forego the self and avoid the chewy chunks.
I guess it's not his real hair, right? This is a husband, I guess, right?
What's that he's saying?
She's not a virgin.
They can tell that.
It was you? No! It was him! Ah! And she wanted it so much from the very beginning, as I remember. It was such a crazy, cool movie. Oh my god. You know, guys, I had so much fun, and I can't laughing anymore. It's crazy. I totally... I'm in love with this actor. He's crazy. He's so crazy. Cool. You know, his only figure who is, you know, keeping this energy level. Of course, other partners are just supporting him as assistants, as partners on the stage. But it's so funny to focus on his personality, on this Ted detective. It's so great. And I love the plot of the movie. It's very cool to see all of these people. They're so different. It's so interesting. The behavior, the language, the sounds, their traditions. Even those dancing and fighting. It was so funny. Okay, guys. Well, I guess we have one more part. Am I right? No. Do we have any part? It's Ace Ventura, number 3. If yes, just let me know, okay? We're going to continue, definitely. For now, I want to thank you for everything, for being here, for enjoying this moment with me. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that like button. For now, I'm hugging you. I'm kissing you. See you next time.